One night, I was walking back home with my hard-earned cash when a funny stranger approached me.
Hi there, friend. I have just what you need. A limited offer bitcoins and shitcoins that will make you rich in no time.
I did hear about all these investor people getting rich with no work, but never knew how to do it myself.
You just give me your money and I will make you rich beyond dreams. See? You buy crypto today and the value will explode in no time. Guaranteed.
Take all my savings and make me rich. That night, I felt like I was owning the world, dreaming about green Lamborghinis and luxury cruises. I woke up feeling like $1 million, getting ready for my morning coffee and newspaper. And then came a shock. All my money and life savings is gone overnight. How will I tell my wife? How will I feed my children? When I told my wife, she threw me out. Overnight, I became broke, alone and homeless. I was wasting my days when one day I've heard unexpected news. Crypto went from worthless back to the hottest thing on the market.